welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, if you're new, welcome. Thank you for tuning in with your girl. And yes, so today we're going to get into this. So the look and learn with me tutorial for today is comb coils. You'll see throughout this video, this was so hard for me. Like, this is the hardest style that I've ever had to do. So let's jump into this video. I do not recommend this hairstyle if you don't know what you're doing, because it's taking me too long. I had to cut the cameras, turn my Jhene on, get in my bag, and finish the rest of the half of my hair. And now I still have a whole nother half. Alright, I'm done. It took me like 2 hours to do this. I do not recommend this hairstyle to anyone. Let's just see if all of this 2-hour prep and styling was worth it. I hope it was, because if not, I'm gonna be upset. Yeah. Did a little side part. Yeah. I'll show you what it looks like in the morning. Hey y'all, I'm back. I know hair a mess, lashes a mess, they falling out different places, they ain't matching. But one thing about me, these eyebrows is done. Y'all have not seen me with my eyebrows done this entire time since I had a YouTube, and that's crazy because my eyebrows are literally always done, but I got them threaded today. And yeah, so Yesterday when my hair was drying, I noticed that the front was messed up, but it took so much time doing it, I didn't even care to fix it. So let's see how this is gonna turn out. I'm gonna use my Kinky Koils hair oil. Okay, this is what it's looking like separated. Put some more oil. Okay, so I wasn't feeling it at first, but now that I got it in the little fro hook, I'm feeling it. I like the smaller coils better than the bigger coils that I did for the bang, but I like it. This is what it's looking like. Check out the edge control by Kinky Koils. I probably should have tried this on clean hair and wet hair, but you know, it is what it is. It's okay. Let me know what y'all think down below. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Click that little bell button to turn on the post notifications of my channel.